In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can download single sound effect on YouTube you want. Okay, for the first step, we click or we go on YouTube and then we click on our channel, and here we click on YouTube Studio. Okay, and when we are here, we can now click on the audio library. So click on this, and then here we have sound effects, and then we can click on sound effects, and here we can search for the title or the type of sound effect we want. And if we I type in shot like this, and then we have here rifle shot echo. Click on this, and then yeah, this is the sound. And if we want to download the sound, we go on this, and here we can click on download. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe. It would help me a lot. And then see you next time.